Hello, I'm Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator, here to provide you an update on our latest efforts to restore power following Tropical Storm Helene. Please, if you are just tuning into this video, stay tuned. I've got a lot of updates on where our crews will be working. I have an update on a gas issue and an update related to customer service and where some changes that we have made related to customer service. So hang tight. As of this video, we have less than 1,800, that's 1,800 customers left to restore in our service territory. We are working as quickly and as safely as we can to restore power to those 1,800 customers. Today, our current efforts are focused in the following areas: Abner Creek, Westmoreland Road, American Legion, including Panorama Farm Subdivision, Victor Mill Road area, Mount Vernon Road area, Sunnyside Drive, Memorial Drive Extension, Taylor Road, Arlington Road and Church Street, Highway 29 near Lowe's Home Improvement. Overnight, we accomplished several restorations in the following areas: the Redcroft Subdivision, Marion Avenue, Highland and Tryon Street, Woodvale Circle, Pleasant Drive. This tropical storm impacted all 4 of our utilities and our lakes. Today, customers will see EGW, which is a contractor of ours, and Greer CPW on Laurel Road and Maple Place. They are going to be working to address a gas main issue. Gas service will be impacted for those customers on Laurel Road and Maple Place for approximately 2 to 3 days. We have crews knocking on doors of our gas customers in that area to communicate what is happening on Maple Place and Laurel Road. We also continue to access electric meters that are not communicating with our systems. Crews in reflective vests and marked vehicles may be in your yard through all parts of our territory. We continue to thank you for your patience as we work through this. So let me get real quick to this customer service update. We will not be disconnecting services through the end of the week, and we are also waiving late fees and non-payment fees until next week. Please note that any account not paid by Friday, October the 4th, will incur the $75 non-payment fee and may be subject to disconnection at 8 a.m. on Monday, October the 7th. We encourage anyone to reach out to our customer service team if you have any questions about that. Their number is 848-5500. I will be putting this language, everything that I just mentioned, under this video so you can read it for yourself. And thanks for listening. This was a long update, but crews hope to make a lot more progress today. Thank you all.